Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Bugun darsimizda ham, ikkinchi darsimizda o'tgan darsimizning davomi bo'ladi, ya'ni ta'lim va talabalar hayotiga oid yana boshqa so'zlarni o'rganamiz. Number 1. Do an exam, sit an exam or take an exam. Bu uchala so'zimiz ham imtihon topshirish degan ma'noni anglatadi. Example 1. I have to sit an exam next week. Men kelasi hafta imtihon topshirishim kerak. Example 2. I'm taking my English exam tomorrow. Mening ertaga ingliz tilida imtihonim bor. Number 2. To retake a course. To do a course again because you have failed it the first time. Bu kursga qayta yozilish, ya'ni siz imtihondan yiqildingiz, shuning uchun qayta topshirishingiz kerak. Bu qayta topshirish. Students do not need special permission to retake a course. Talabalar qayta topshirish uchun maxsus ruxsatnoma olishlari shart emas. May I retake a course for a high grade? Men yaxshiroq baho olish uchun qayta topshirsam bo'ladimi? Number 3. At a slow, leisurely pace. It means at an unhurried, relaxed, slow speed. Bu degani shoshilmasdan, bemalol, sekinlik bilan degan ma'noni anglatadi. Let's start at a slow pace. Keling, asta-sekin boshlaymiz. We could walk the entire distance at a slow pace. Biz butun bir masofani sekinlik bilan bosib o'tishimiz mumkin edi. Number 4. A formal examination. Rasmiy imtihon. It is a test conducted under strict regulated conditions. Bu qat'iy belgilangan sharoitda test topshirish, ya'ni nazorat ostida test topshirish. She had to take a formal examination before she could graduate. U bitirishidan oldin rasmiy imtihon topshirishiga to'g'ri keldi. He is preparing for her certificate examination. U o'zining sertifikat imtihoniga tayyorlanyapti. Number 5. To drop out of college. To leave college or university because you have finished your studies. Bu kollejni tashlash, ya'ni o'sha belgilangan muddatdan oldin tugatish. Too many students drop out of college after only 1 year. Ko'pchilik talabalar atigi 1 yildan keyin kollejni tashlab ketishadi. He dropped out of college after his first semester because of money. U pul yo'qligi uchun birinchi semestr tugagach kollejni tashladi. Number 6. Preschooler. A child not yet old enough to go to school. Yani maktabga borish yoshiga to'lmagan bola. Example 1. I wanted to see how far my son's concepts went in math when he was a preschooler. Men farzandimning, o'g'limning maktabga borishidan oldin matematikadagi fikrlari qay darajada ekanligini bilishni xohlagandim. When I was a preschooler, I had a dentist named Dr. Williams. Men maktabga borishimdan oldin Dr. Williams ismli tish shifokorim bor edi. Number 7. Vocational school. Kasbiy maktab. A school which provides students with the special skills and education that they need to do a particular job. Bu kasbiy maktab degani, ya'ni biror bir kasbga oid ta'lim va maxsus mahorat o'rgatiladigan maktab. The curriculum at a vocational school is more career focused. Kasbiy maktablardagi ta'lim dasturi asosan kasbga yo'naltirilgan bo'ladi. The vocational school provides education for young people so that they can qualify themselves. Kasbiy maktablar yoshlarga shunday ta'lim beradiki, ular o'zlarining kelajakdagi kasbiga tayyorlab borishadi. Number 8. Productive. Producing or achieving a lot of results. Bu degani natijalarga boy, samarali degan ma'noni anglatadi. I had a very productive day of working yesterday. Mening kechagi ish kunim juda samarali bo'ldi. Our last meeting was very productive. Bizning so'nggi majlisimiz samarali bo'ldi. Number 9. Primary school. A school for children between the ages of 5 and 11. Bu boshlang'ich maktab, ya'ni 5-11 yoshlar o'rtasidagi bolalar boruvchi maktab. Learning to write is one of the most important things that a child at primary school will learn. Yozishni o'rganish bu boshlang'ich ta'lim o'quvchilariga beradigan eng muhim narsalardan biridir. My sister is a primary school teacher. Mening singlim boshlang'ich maktab o'qituvchisi. Number 10. Secondary school. A school for children who are aged from 11, 16 to 18. O'rta maktab, umumiy o'rta ta'lim beruvchi maktab, bu 11 yoshdan 16 yoshgacha yoki 11 yoshdan 18 yoshgacha davom etadi. She taught history at a secondary school. U o'rta maktabda tarixdan dars berardi. When I was in a secondary school, all I ever wanted is a job and pay all the bills. Men o'rta maktabdalik paytimda xohlagan barcha narsam bu ish topish va qarzlardan qutulish edi.